Aye, 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 aye. Talking of the big monkey wrench.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today, we are going to be putting a new deck belt on this Troy Bilt Pony. I've got this whole thing apart. I'm making a series of videos on replacing the drive belts. I just put a new solenoid on, starter solenoid. I put a new starter on it. She's turnkey now. Cleaned and rebuilt the carburetor. But I've got to put a belt on this thing real quick, and it's real simple. Let me show you what I've got so far. So in this case, it's a 42-inch deck. There's your part number, MTD on the bottom, and rotary part number 1211660. These are real easy to change. I was not planning on removing the deck in order to do this. You can easily do it in place, but since I have to change the drive belts too, I had to pull the deck anyway. So with a 9/16, these two pulleys here, I've loosened these. You have to put a wrench underneath, and I use the socket on top, and you loosen those pulleys so you can get the belt out. You cannot get the belt out without loosening these pulleys. It won't happen. Take it off like so. Take the old one off. I'm going to real quickly just put the two together and see how close the new one is to the old one, if I can get something to put it on. And they're pretty close. I'll wrap it around there. And the old one is slightly longer than the new one, which is normal because the old one gets stretched. Looking at them, the old one's pretty worn. And anyway, this is something that you should do every season or two anyway. Don't wait until you need a new belt, because then you'll be regretting the fact that you didn't do it. And now you're trying to cut the lawn and you only got half the grass cut, and you have to go and find belts or order them on Amazon or whatever. So once you feed those back through, I don't take these completely off. Once you feed it back through, get your wrench back on the bottom. Now this keeper will move. Put it at about 2 o'clock. If you're thinking clock face, tighten that down real good. Noon, 1, 2 o'clock, so that it's out of the way, so it doesn't hit the belt on the top or the side. That's all you got to worry about. That'll spin just fine. We're going to do the same thing and tighten that down, and this thing's ready to put back on. That goes inside of that little keeper. And then on the sides, and these are very important, these keepers, okay, they just get bolted on. Now when I got this machine, these were removed. That's why I didn't show you taking them off. Get all your grass and crap out of there. But these are important. These not only protect your belt from any crap, but they also keep the belt from slopping off the pulley, and then if you don't know how it goes back on, calling somebody like me to put them back on. So that's it. Put a couple of bolts back in there, easy peasy, and you've just changed your deck belt. See you soon.